Good morning, my dear students. This is Mathematical Methods, Number Theory Chapter, Lecture 5, Continuation. Problem 5. By using Euclidean algorithm, find the greatest common divisor, GCD, of 29, 47 and 3997. Solution. Which one is big number? So 3997 is equal to 2947. How many times? One time. What is the remainder? 1050 by division algorithm. So GCD of 2947 is nothing but GCD of 2947 comma 1050. Now again apply division algorithm. You write 2947 is equal to 1050 into 2 times plus remainder 847 by DA. DA means division algorithm. 2947 1050 GCD nothing but 1050 847 GCD. Now you write 1050 is equal to 847 into how many times? Only one time. Remainder 203 by division algorithm. GCD of 1050 comma 847 is equal to GCD of 847 comma 203. Now again apply division algorithm. 847 is equal to 203 into 4 plus 35 by division algorithm. 847 comma 203 GCD is nothing but 203 comma 35 GCD. Now you write 203 is equal to 35 into how many times? 5 times plus remainder 28 by division algorithm. 203 35 GCD nothing but 35 28 GCD. Now again apply division algorithm. 35 is equal to 28 into how many times? Only one time plus 7 remainder. So GCD of 35 comma 28 nothing but 28 comma 7. Again you write 28 is equal to 7 into 4 times plus 0 by division algorithm. So 28 comma 7 GCD nothing but 7 comma 0. 7 comma 0 nothing but 7. GCD of B0 equal to B. So GCD of small bracket means GCD, greatest common divisor symbol. 7 is equal to 7. Therefore GCD of 2947 comma 3997 is 7. That is bracket 2947 comma 3997 is equal to 7. By using the Euclidean algorithm, find the greatest common divisor of 1109 and 4999. Solution. So big number is 4999 is equal to 1109 into how many times? 4 times. We get remainder 563 by DA means division algorithm. So 4999 1109 GCD nothing but 1109 563 by Euclidean algorithm. By Euclidean algorithm. Now you write 1109 is equal to 563 into 1 plus remainder 546 by division algorithm. 1109 comma 563 GCD nothing but 563 comma 546 GCD by Euclidean algorithm. Now you write 563 is equal to 546 into 1 time plus remainder 17 by division algorithm. GCD of 563 comma 546 is equal to 546 comma 17 by Euclidean algorithm. Now you write 546 is equal to 17 into how many times? 32 times plus 2 by division algorithm. 546 comma 17 is equal to 17 comma 2 by Euclidean algorithm. Now you write 17 is equal to 2 into 8 times plus 1 by division algorithm. GCD of 17 comma 2 is nothing but 2 comma 1 by Euclidean algorithm. Now you write 2 is equal to 1 into 2 plus 0 by division algorithm. 2 1 is equal to 1 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, GCD of 1109 and 4999 is 1. That is bracket 1109 comma 4999 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Problem 7. Find the greatest common divisor G of the numbers 1819 and 3587 and then find integers x and y to satisfy 1819x plus 3587y is equal to G. So according to given numbers, big number is 3587 is equal to 1819 into how many times? 1 plus remainder 1768. This is 1 by division algorithm. Now you write 1819 is equal to 1768. How many times? 1 time plus 51. This is the second one by division algorithm. 1768 is equal to 51 into 34 times plus 34 remainder third one by DA. Next write 51 is equal to 34 into only one time plus 17 remainder 4 by division algorithm. 34 is equal to 17 into 2 plus 0 5 by division algorithm. So write 34 G comma 17 GCD, nothing but 17 comma 0 GCD by Euclidean algorithm. 17 0 means 17. Therefore GCD G is equal to 17. Now write from 1 1768 is equal to 3587 minus 1819. Okay. From 2 51 is equal to 1819 minus 1768. 1819 minus what is 1768? 3587 minus 1819. So 1819 minus 3587 minus into minus plus 1819. So 1819 into 2 minus 3587 into 1. This is 51 value. From 3 34 is equal to 1768 minus 51 into 34. What is 1768? 3587 into 1 minus 1819 into 1 minus what is 51? 1819 into 2 minus 3587 into 1 into 34. So 3587 into 1 minus 1819 into 1 minus 1819, 2 into 34, 68 minus and minus plus 3587, 1 into 34, 1 into 34. So 3587 into 35 minus 1819 into 69 into 69. Okay. This is 34 value. Next, our GCD is 17. So 17 is equal to from 4. 17 is equal to 51 into 1 minus 34 into 1. So 51 value 1819 into 2 minus 3587 into 1 minus bracket 34 value 3587 into 35 minus 1819 into 69 bracket. You need not write 1. No problem. You need not write 1. So 17 is equal to 1819 into 2 minus 3587 into 1 minus 3587 into 35. So 69 to 71, 35 1 36. So you write plus, you write minus 36. Your G is equal to 1819 x plus 13 587 y. Comparing x value 71, y value minus 36. Problem 8. Find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y to satisfy 43x plus 64y is equal to 1. Solution. First we have to find GCD of GCD of 43, 64. Big number is 64. is equal to 43 into 1, remainder 21, say this is 1. 43 is equal to 21 into 2 times 1, second one. So 21 is equal to 1 into 21 times plus a 0, third one. So by division algorithm, 21 comma 1 is equal to 1 comma 0 is equal to 1 by Euclidean algorithm. So GCD is 1. GCD is 1. So from 1, what is your 21 value? 64 minus 43. From 2, 1 value is equal to 43 minus 21 into 2. 43 minus, what is your 21? 64 minus 43 into 2. So 43 minus 64 into 2 minus and minus plus 43 into 2. ఇక్కడ 1 ఉన్నట్టే. So 43 into 3 minus 64 into 2 is equal to 43 into 3 plus 64 into minus 2. So 1 is equal to 43x plus 64y. Comparing x value 3, y value minus 2. So easy problem compared to other problems. And comparing other problems, this is easy one. Find the value of x and y to satisfy 93x minus 81y is equal to 3. First, we have to find GCD of 93, 81. 93 is equal to 81 into 1 plus remainder 12, 1 by division algorithm. 81 is equal to 12 into 6 plus 9, second one, by division algorithm. 12 is equal to 9 into 1 plus 3, third one, by division algorithm. So 9 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 0, 4 by division algorithm. 9 comma 3 is equal to 3 comma 0 is equal to 3 by Euclidean algorithm. So GCD is 3. From 1, what is 12 value from 1? 93 minus 81. From 2, what is 9 value? 81 minus 12 into 6. 81 minus 12 value, 93 minus 81 into 6. So 81 into 1 minus 93 into 6 plus 81 into 6. So 81 into 7. 81 into 7 minus 93 into 6. From 3, 3 is equal to 12 minus 9. So what is 12? 93 minus 81 minus 9. 81 into 7 minus 93 into 6. So 93 minus 81 minus 81 into 7 minus into minus 93 into 6. 93 into 1 plus 6, 7 minus 81 into 1 plus 7, 8. So you write this one, 3 is equal to, you write this one, 93 into 7 plus 81 into minus 8. So 3 is equal to what is given? 93x minus 81. 81y. Comparing 93x minus 81y. Comparing, what is your x value? 7. Y value, what is your y value? ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది. సో y value is 8. Y value is 8, not minus 8. Plus 8. Y value is plus 8. So this is the way of doing the problem. Find the values of x, y, z to satisfy 6x plus 10y plus 15z is equal to 1. Solution. First, we have to find GCD of 6, 10, 15. GCD of 6, 10, 15. Look here. GCD of 6, 10, 15 is equal to GCD of 6, 10, 15. This is the methodology. So you say this is 1. What is GCD of 6, 10? We have to find GCD of 6, 10. Big value 10 is equal to 6 into 1 plus 4 remainder. Say this is 1. 6 is equal to 4 into 1 plus 2 remainder 2. 4 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 0 remainder. This is a 3. So 4 2 into 2 0 is equal to 2. So GCD of 6, 10 is 2. Now Roman number 1 becomes GCD of 6, 10, 15 is equal to GCD of 6, 10 is 2. 2, 15. 2, 15. Now you write 15 is equal to big number. 2 into 7 plus 1. 1 remainder. Say this is 4. 2 is equal to 1 into 2 plus 0. This is 5. So 2 1 is equal to 1 0. So is equal to 1. Therefore GCD of 6, 10, 15 is 1. This is the way of finding the GCD of 3 numbers. This is the way of finding the GCD of 3 numbers. From 1, 4 is equal to 10 minus 6. From 2, we have to find x, y, z values. 2 is equal to 6 minus 4. So 6 minus, what is 4? 10 minus 6. So 6 into 2 minus 10 into 1. 6 into 2 minus 10 into 1. Okay. From 3, not from 3. Don't give number for this, unnecessary. This is 3, this is 4. So what is your conclusion? Don't give number for this also. 0 remainder ki number ఇవ్వడం waste. 0 remainder ki number ఇవ్వడం waste అండి, కన్ఫ్యూజన్ తప్పుతాయి. 1 2 3 అంతే. From 3, 1 is equal to 15 minus 2 into 7. 15 into 1 minus 2 అంటే 6 into 2 minus 10 into 1 into 7. 15 into 1 minus 6 into 14 plus 10 into 7. Now 1 is equal to 6x plus 10y plus 15z. Comparing x value minus 14, y value 7, z value 1. Okay, this is the way of finding the x, y, z values.